where to find drop shippers, and how to avoid scammers. When you decide to sell products on eBay, you may need to source products unless you make your own. One of the best sources of products are called drop shippers. These are companies who will sell products to you for the wholesale price so that you can resell them at a profit. Not only that, but they will in many cases actually package and post the item to your customer, leaving you more time to spend on the actual selling process. But where do you find these drop shippers? It would be a very hard task to go all over the countryside searching for wholesale companies who are willing to do this work for you. Even if you decide to search via the phone book, it will run into a lot of time and money on phone calls. Then, if you find some, how can you be sure that they are truly wholesalers and not about to rip you off by charging you retail prices? Luckily, eBay has compiled a directory of reputable wholesale dropshippers that you can access from their website. They've spent a considerable amount of time and effort searching the country for reputable wholesalers. They are constantly adding to this list, and you can be sure that they are careful about whom they allow to be included. They screen each company and make sure they meet certain criteria before including them. This goes for both dropshippers and light bulk dropshippers. The most important thing for you to remember when selling as a business on eBay is that you don't make money when you sell, you make it when you buy. This means that if you buy for a high price, you are less likely to make a profit on your item. It's important not to be scammed into thinking you are paying wholesale prices for your goods when you're paying a retail price. When your customer comes along, he'll have been noticing what the general price is on that product in the shops or even on eBay if others are selling the same thing. He will not buy from you if your price is higher than others unless you have a better return policy or some other unique feature. You should also be aware of other scams such as phishing scams, where you may receive an email purporting to be from the system administrator of some place like a bank, IRS, AOL, PayPal, or some such, and asking you to perform an urgent maintenance on your account. Never do it. And never give out any personal information over the phone or by email, even if you're familiar with the business that's asking for it. Rather, hang up and call the business yourself to find out if they've made the request.